First thing is to remove all these push pins. That hold this cover on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looks like 7 of them. I'll remove those and take that cover off. This cover right here. Got all those out. Just remove that. And then using a Phillips screwdriver, turn that about 1/4 of a turn. Do the other side. And there's a bolt, 10mm right there. Take that bolt out. I'm gonna have to investigate. It seems like something's holding up. There's this clip on each side, and you gotta pull on it. Not real crazy, but enough to get that loose. So, grill's out. Now I gotta work on the headlights. To remove the headlights, there's a pin right here. Pull that up and out. This one, twist it 90 degrees. Pull it up and out. Headlight comes loose, and there's clips on these wires. Lift that up, pull it out. And the clip on this other one. Lift it up, pull it out, and headlight assembly is out. And for the turn signal, there's a clip right here. Just push that out. Pull it out and twist it, pull it out. That one looks kind of burnt. And this one, same thing. And that one, same thing. I'm actually not going to take these off, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. And now I can figure out how to put it. Oh, there we go. That just clips in there like that. And put that until it snaps. Same with that. Snap it in place, line that up, and it's clipped right there. And taking it out, do the same thing for the other side. To remove the bumper, there's a 15mm bolt there. There's one way down there, and on the other side, same thing. There's one way down there, and there's one there. I'm gonna have to get some penetrator fluid and soak these. Probably haven't been off in 19 years or loose, so soak them down and let them soak. There's also a bolt right here, 15mm, one on each side. Those need to come out, so there's a total of 6 bolts, and these are out on the end of the bumper. This is where those outside bolts are. I took those off first. Then one's down there and there. Yeah, that one was like the second one I took off. And then this one and that one less. And the bumper's not really very heavy. It's right over there. But the Tahoe looks, oh, it looks terrible. Oh well, the bumper's got a dent in it. I'm gonna see if I can take it out. On these GM vehicles in the early 2000s, I'm pretty sure this is aluminum and the paint gets wore off, and it's not so easy to see in this vehicle, but you can see it through the grill. So what I'm going to do is take some water and clean this all up, and then I'll sand it and just put a little bit of paint on there. Some corrosion there. I'm going to remove this sensor here too. I don't want to get paint on that. So I'll remove this push pin. I think that's going to go that way. Let's see. There we go. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna sand all this down just to rough up the surface. Easier for the paint to stick. And I'll go over the rest of the surfaces. Got everything sanded. Now I'm going to wipe everything off with some lacquer thinner to remove any grease or oil. And I'll wipe off the rest of the surfaces. I've put some plastic bags over the radiator. I'm just going to paint just this frame right here. I'm going to use some Rust-Oleum primer, self-etching primer, and just put a light coat on, get it ready for some paint. You always want to keep the can moving. I'll let that dry. It's been about 2 hours. The primer was supposed to be dry in 30 minutes and recoatable then. Be sure to read and follow all the directions on whatever spray paint you're using. This Rust-Oleum, you top coat, it's a dark kind of gray. It's close to black, so. I'm going to put on a light coat first. Sit for just a little bit, let it just dry. We'll put another light coat. That is looking good. I'm gonna go with that. And I got the grill all put back in. Looks so much better. Painting those braces inside. I'm getting a lot of reflection off them right now, angle with the sun, but they have nice paint on them rather than corroded and half the paint missing. And this generation of GM, they do that. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, push the thumbs up button, share with your friends, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.